Hi, dear MSME. All of you are in GST if I am right. Today, Manitalks brings you the very important features of the GST which your accountants needs to be aware of. GST is now entering 5th financial year. Went through lot of hurdles, faced economic recessions, COVID threat, almost hated by all stakeholders, stood afoot, determined. Our key learning so far from GST for our accountants and our trade are very few which are very important and key in nature. Should no longer delay filing of GST or 3B more than a month. There should not be a difference between the GSTR1 and GSTR3B filed. GSTR3B, if filed in excess of GSTR1, it can be explained, but not vice versa. B2B in specific needs to have business the entity detail of output and input for passing of credit. B2C requirement is total summary of sales to non-GST buyers, but the books of accounts need to be tallied. Composition dealer transactions. Dealers cannot have the benefit of input on purchases. Works contract. To do the business of works contract, it has to be a part of the registration process. Understand input credit restrictions and pro rata working in case of exempted sales. Understand ineligible and credit reversing of the inputs availed on the some of the purchases which are ineligible in nature. LUT is mandatory for exporters, then only eligible for refund. Understand difference between the exempted and export sales. Understand what is inverted tax structures. SEZ, supply procedures to be followed by those who are doing business with the SEZ. GST refund and eligibility procedure has to be followed in case of the exporters claiming refund. RCM mechanism, reverse charge mechanism. Your accountant should know which all the heads that apply for RCM. If it doesn't apply, how do we account those? TCS adjustment. The accountant should know the tax collected at source appearing in the 2B as well as the deducted by the vendors, how to adjust the same for tax payment. In addition to this, one should know GSTR 2B is a part of a purchase reconciliation which the accountant should invariably do it. These are the key issues which your accountant follows. You can attend your scrutiny in case and win the scrutiny very easily. The GST is a subject matter of records. Be very clear, it is not a subject matter of only accounting transactions but also a part of inventory records. Have a happy day. Hope this has given you some insight to you and your accountant. Share if you like it. Subramani signing off for the time.